How to fix Facebook verification code not received. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's tutorial we will learn how we can fix Facebook verification code not received. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, what you have to do is check your Facebook application settings. So open up settings in your device, tap on apps. Tap on see all apps, tap on the search icon at the top right. Now search for Facebook. Once you get into the app info page, first of all, tap on storage and cache, then tap on clear cache. This will fix any glitches or bugs in the application that may help you solve your issue. After that, go to permissions and make sure you have allowed all the necessary permissions for the Facebook, such as the contacts, phone, and allow all the remaining necessary permissions. Now once you're done with that, hit back. Now in the all apps list, search for messages. And once you land on its app info page, again tap on permissions. Again, make sure you have allowed all the necessary permissions for the messages, especially this SMS. After that, now you can close this. Open up your Facebook application and again request for another code. After that, your problem will be solved. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.